Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to class. Hope you all are doing fine and you're safe at home. Great. So today we are going to start grammar. Okay? And today's topic is very simple. It is, what is a sentence? Sentence. That is the topic for today. So, you know how to make a sentence. You always make small sentences when you're talking to your parents, to your friends, or to your teachers. Yes? Now, for example, when you say, teacher, may I come in? What is it? It is a sentence. It is a sentence. Then, teacher, I know the answer. What is that? It is again a sentence. So like this, you use sentence in your daily life. And it is very important. Sentence helps us in interacting with our friends, in chatting with our family, right? Sometimes you tell your mama that, Mama, I want tea, or I want to drink a cup of tea, or Mama, I want to dance now. What are all these? These are small sentences, right? So today we will learn how we can make sentences and what are the important things when we are writing a sentence. Okay? Yes. So now let's try to understand what is a sentence. So a sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. What is the meaning of complete sense? That whatever I am saying to you, you are understanding it. That is the meaning of complete sense. So whatever words you are using, and you're trying to communicate with someone, you are trying to speak to someone, and that person is able to understand you, then it is called as a sentence. It is called as a sentence. Yes. Now let's try to understand this with the help of an example. Now here are some words for you. Read the words. Grass. 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 Eats. Eats. A cow. 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 Grass eats a cow. What do you see in this picture? There is a tree, there is a mountain, there is some grass, green grass, yes? So you can see the cow, very good. So do these words make sense? No, we can't understand what these words are trying to say. So can you try to arrange these sentences? Yes. So what will be the correct way of saying this? A cow eats grass. A cow eats grass. Okay. So this is how you can arrange the sentences. So question may come that there are some jumbled words and you have to make it a complete sentence, right? So like this you can do it. See the next one. Children are the football playing. Can you see some children? And what are they doing? There's a football, they are playing in the ground, yes? So is this a correct sentence? Children are the football playing. Is this a correct sentence? What will be the correct sentence? The children are playing football. The children are playing football. Okay. So first you will put the children. The children are playing football. Okay. See another example. What you see in this picture? There is a sun, there is some sunshine, there's a tree, there's a garden, right? So what is there in the question? Rises sun east in the. Is this a correct sentence? No. So the correct sentence is the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. So can you see that whenever we are starting the sentence, the starting letter is always capital and in the end it is full stop. Okay? It is full stop. Now, let us try to understand some important things to remember when we are writing a sentence. When we are writing a sentence. Number one, the words must be placed in their proper order to make complete sense. Okay? The words must be placed in their proper order to make complete sense. Now you saw some jumbled words and first thing is, first you must put it in the proper order. Number two, the sentence must begin with a capital letter, as I told you previously. Always the sentence, it is the most important thing in English. First, you start the sentence with a capital letter and a full stop must be placed at the end of the sentence. Can you see this dot? This dot is called as a full stop. It's a full stop, okay? It means the sentence is finished. So, when you put a full stop, the sentence is finished. Now see the next one. Can you see this beautiful peacock? Yes. So what is there? See the sentence. A peacock is a beautiful bird. A peacock is a beautiful bird. Is there any mistake in this sentence? Can you find out? What is the correct way to write this? The correct way is the first letter must be capital. Very good. A. A is to be capital. Here it is small, so it's wrong. So first letter must be capital. And in the last, is there any full stop? No. So the correct way is to put a full stop, right? So a capital letter. Peacock is a beautiful bird. Full stop. So the sentence is finished. You must put a full stop. Very good. Let's take one more example. Girls love to play with dolls. So number one, is the sentence correct? The sentence is correct. But there are some mistakes. What are the mistakes? Are you able to identify? Very good. The correct way to write is girls. G is to be capital and in the end there will be a full stop. So girls with G capital love to play with dolls. Full stop. Full stop. Yes. So, this is what we did today, kids. It's all about sentences, right? You must know that it's very important that each and every word must make sense when you are writing or when you are speaking, right? So you saw some examples. Here are some jumbled words. Children are the football playing. The correct sentence is the children are playing football. Then rises sun east in the correct way is the sun rises in the east. Then, the three important things when we are writing in a sentence we must see. Number one, the order must be correct. The order in which you are writing, it must be correct. Number two important thing you must see is the first letter must be capital. The sentence must begin with a capital letter. Capital letter means the big letter. Okay, kids? The big letters. Then full stop. The dot is very important when you are writing the sentence, and when you're finishing the sentence, there must be a full stop. And there are also marks for that, kids. If you are not putting a capital letter or you're not putting a full stop, marks will be deducted in English when you will be writing. So you must always remember these points. Okay? The correct way of writing a sentence. The first letter is always to be capital, and in the end there must be a dot, a full stop. Okay. Thank you everyone. Till then, take care and revise this chapter once again. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.